Hello my friends, welcome back to Mr. Crazy is Cool YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share with you how to make a YouTube account. So simply how to make a YouTube account, YouTube channel. So however, just this is so important if you need to be a creator or need to upload a video for YouTube. So this is for you. So this is the Google product 7th video. So however, just start the video. So let's go to start a YouTube channel or create a YouTube channel. So yeah, back to here. So just I like to say you simply you need to go youtube.com, or however this is real simple process, but need some important things to do. So first I like to say you, if you have Google account, also you had comment any video, so already you had created a YouTube channel because you had already owned a username or YouTube tag. So that means you already have a channel. Just however, if you need to check if you have a channel, you can click on this your Google account logo here. So then you can see if you have Google account, you already have view your channel, or if you don't have, you can you have option to create channel. So however, if you already have a channel, you can check view your channel and when your channel is created. So this is that channel. That channel is created on 14th of September 2025. So however, this is the tag, you can see that. So just I am going to talk if you need to make a new channel, or however just create a channel. This is important thing you need to know. So I am going to create a new channel for this. So however, just if you need to create another channel or switch more channels, just you can click on there and switch channels. But if you don't have already had made a channel, so you have to click on there, then you can see next to window. I will show about that. So however, just you can see this window after you click this create in here. You can see view your channel, but if you can see create channel, or somehow you will show this one. Maybe you have a reminder you had make like this. Just if you had comment anyone, you already made channel. I need to mention about that. So how you will appear. So okay, how you will appear. So this is used publicly represent your channel on YouTube. You have changed this later. Okay, so this create a new Google account with its own settings, including your YouTube search and watch history. So basically I like to explain you, this also make another Google account like thing. This is not your YouTube your Google account, it's also linked with YouTube. No, this is like another process. It's like another where they will create a Google account, but it's only for your channel. Okay, so that's about the brand account. So I will talk about in the YouTube content, YouTube creator playlist. So first I like to say, this is not only one thing, this is also another separate Google accounts, but however link with your Google account. So this you can change later. You can select a profile picture here, also the channel name here. So the channel name you can set. So I'm going to set my name for that, because uh, this is for test. And then based on your name, the handle will be created, but you can customize that. For example, you can keep it like this, or you can add numbers, or however. For just as a test, I will use like this. Maybe we can take that. So you can customize it like you can add, you can add some symbols, but not every symbol. You can add some symbol. For example, we can't add this hash mark, so but we can add the stop mark, like those. You can customize. For example, if you need add, I'm Mr. Crazy, so Mr. dot, you can add crazy, like those. You can add some of them. So yeah, next you have to click create channel, then you will make a channel. You need to take some time here. Yeah, so you can check your channel is there. So this is your channel URL. So I will show you, but we are on the other channel. You can see this is the purple color. You can see this is Sasankanitmina J, but this is Sasankanitmina 000. So this is the channel we had created. So just I will move to that, so you know that this Google account. So already we had make for test, so I had moved for this Google account, and then this is our channel. So we had created the channel on today. So today is 18th of September 2025. So the channel is created on today, and this is your channel with the tag, this is your tag. So handle, or YouTube handle, they call YouTube handle or your tag. So however, that is your channel. You can share with anyone. For example, if I open a guest account here and then I paste it like this, you can see this is our channel. This is the channel we had created today. So this is our channel. Yeah, this is how to create a YouTube channel. So we have some customized channel and manage videos. Also we have YouTube ID, channel ID, everything. So in this this video I had talked about how to make a YouTube channel, but you need to know about some important things. This is not only channel, this is a separate thing from the Google. So this is brand account. So this is how to make a YouTube brand account. My suggestion is make a brand account, so then you can add some moderators. However, this is how to make a YouTube channel. This is my way, made to brand account. Then you can keep the channel without lost. So however, just you need to give 100% access only you. So I will talk about in next video. So however, this is how to make a brand account and how to make a YouTube channel. So this is the first video. So see you in next video. So yeah, we had talked about how to make a YouTube brand account. So however, this is YouTube channel creation process. So I had said you make a brand account because it is very easy to use. Also give access in one day. You need to give a comment manager, like those things. We have a lot of things. So however, this is how to make a YouTube brand account. So if you like to watch more YouTube content creator support things, I will make in this playlist for YouTube creators. So YouTubers, maybe I called you YouTuber. So if you like to watch more videos, please make a like and also comment down what you need in next video. So however, I will continue the YouTube studio, however YouTube creator content, YouTube creator playlist. So yeah, however, I will just playlist make with those videos. So this is YouTube playlist. Yeah, if you like to watch more videos, please subscribe and stay with me. This is Mr. Crazy School.